Frigidaire 1400 BTU, which has a lot of cold air. If you're looking for a lot of cold air, you're going to get it in this unit. It's powerful and it's gold. You really feel it. Installation was a little tricky only because where I got to install it. I have a narrow spot here, so I want it in this corner, but unfortunately, unless I want to put it in the slider, in the window, so I'm going to buy an extension hole so that I can turn it around toward the bed. But right now, this is working out fine. So I'm going to show you the outside installation. Here's my vent. My only concern is, of course, rain blowing down my exhaust. So, other than that, we might have to retrofit something to stop that from happening. We haven't had a lot of wind and rain since we've installed it, but that's my biggest concern. We don't have a lot of bugs around here, so it's not a big concern. We do have bees. But another thing is, yeah, what bugs can get in there. So here is I set up for my exhaust, and that all works fine. We put a stick there to hold it snug. And the other concern is that it's backwards. Some people said the remote wouldn't work unless it's right in front. So I've had no trouble with that. Then I just did. It's showing 69, but this one is 73. Okay, now it's working. So this is showing 72. Good. Yeah, so far from the back, I've been able to use the remote. So that's made me happy until we can fix it and turn it around. It's got a dehumidifier, it's got the air filter, it's got the ionizer, it's got a heater. So this is an all-year unit. You don't need to just put it away after summer, which I love, and it replaces several other units like the, I wanted to get the ionizer, and I don't need to now, and the air purifier, which I don't need to either, so very happy. This is a pretty beefy unit. It's nice and sleek looking. I've taken all the packaging tape off. But we're thrilled with it. It's super comfortable to sleep with. It's simple to operate. It's simple to set up. And we couldn't be happier.
This Frigidaire portable air conditioner saved the day. It's 105 degrees out, and the air conditioning was just not doing the job. So setting this up, as you can see, we've got the tube going out as well as the drainage thing easily put into the window. And now, here's the control. And I just push this power button and watch. It pops open and now it's going to start cooling. You can control the temperature from the remote. And all I can say is it is blowing some nice cool air, which is rapidly making the room better. At the time we put it in, it was well above 80 inside and 105 outside, and the temperature was increasing even though we had the air conditioning on. This is an upstairs unit. So that's what I have to say. This seems to be a winner, and I'm very pleased it was here to save us on this brutal hot day.
So come along with me as we set up our Frigidaire air conditioner. unwrap all the parts that come with it and put them like to the side, put them together so you can like see like, do I have everything? Yes. So make sure you're reading your directions. I have the hose right here and I'm just gonna stretch it out. Boom, it's that easy. Checking my directions again, making sure I'm doing it right. Set it up, like put the hose against the AC unit and they connect. You just turn it and it snaps into place. And then there's the other side of the hose that gets attached to the window, and the window kit that comes with it is perfectly set up for that side of that hose, so you won't have to be buying anything extra. Like sometimes people need to buy an extra window kit and whatnot, but this one comes with everything. Take the foam and the sticky adhesive and put it all around the window so everything is sealed off, and then enjoy your summer where it's really hot outside, but we're inside enjoying it for now.